So what are two things that I will be watching for the next, say, 6 to 12 months very closely? Let's talk about it right now. Hello, this is Fabi from The Next Big Rush, and I just want to give you a heads up. If you're the type of investor who has great, what do you call it? Intestinal fortitude, right? I mean, you can take a lot of hits, you can lose a lot of money, which is nothing to brag about, right? I mean, we're doing investing the wrong way by buying stuff that goes down by a lot, and we catch falling knives. If you're that type of investor that likes to buy things when they're in the utter crapper, then I would suggest you to take a look at two different things. One of them is lithium. Take the share chart of any lithium company and you will just about cry, or you will get very excited about the opportunity. So be on the watch out. It's not like lithium is going anywhere. You know, I'm not gonna say that it's gonna come back within the next 3 months or something like that, because if I knew when things would be coming back, I would be rich, like filthy rich, and that's not the case. So just, you know, do a little bit of research, talk to maybe a few friends who understand lithium better, and just, you know, start looking at some options so that when it comes back, you already know what stocks you like. The other thing, which is a little bit early, I don't think that this is gonna pop back up very soon, but then again, because of its dynamics, it might, and that is cannabis. Now, I am notoriously not a cannabis investor or speculator for that matter, but I do see that there is a lot of things being uncovered in the cannabis space which might actually hurt the whole sector. Scandals, people losing their licenses, whatever, you know the story. And people are already disillusioned, if that's a word, or you know, they don't believe in a lot of cannabis companies right now as they did just a while back. Now, because with cannabis you have to be very courageous, because there is that notion of, okay, Canada legalized, huge peak, and then stocks come down because we're always waiting for the next jurisdiction to legalize. And so it's like, you know, Colorado, and then what's next, and then what's next, and then what's next. And these companies are probably gonna, you know, be extremely volatile for a long time, because most countries in the world have not legalized cannabis, and as they do, which I think is a trend, I don't think it's just Canada that's going to do that, then I believe that you're going to have this up and down with a lot of companies. It doesn't mean that the companies that we see today are going to win out in the long run. It just means that the companies that have increasing sales as the crash happens are very, very strong candidates to last a long time. So I'm not gonna, you know, recommend anything. I don't recommend stocks, as you already know. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't listen to anything I say. But lithium and cannabis may prove to be very good bets in the long run, but I am always early, so I'm not placing my bets just yet. So what do you think? Are you invested in cannabis or in lithium? What are your bets? What is your outlook? Are you thinking that, you know, maybe cannabis will bounce back within the next 6 to 12 months, 3 months? Are you into lithium? Some lithium players are getting crushed. It's just sad. I'm smiling, but it's sad. I'm smiling because obviously, as you know, that's when you make your money, when you buy low. You can't sell high unless you buy low to begin with. So that's everything. Let me know of what you think about these two different things. I was gonna say commodities, but obviously it's not like cannabis is a commodity. I guess you can almost call it that. That's it. Thank you very much. Take care. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. There's a lot more coming your way. Ciao, ciao.